सो दिस इज़ अगेन द ब्रशेस फ्रॉम अमेजोन. बहुत जल्दी इसका हॉल आने वाला है. प्लीज़ बी पेशेंट क्योंकि एज आई मैंशन थोड़े चीज़ें अभी तक नहीं आए हैं अमेजोन के, तो इसलिए इतना ज़्यादा डिले हो रहा है. अमेजोन हॉल. ओके सो फटाफट ब्रश से आई एम गोना ब्लेंड इट. आई कैन ब्लेंड इट फ्रॉम माई हैंड बट अगेन ब्रश है तो लेट्स टेस्ट द ब्रश ऑल्सो. तो या इसीलिए बाय द वे ये पैलेट है मीशो का, सो आई विल बी लेट यू नो. इट्स अ रियली नाइस ब्रश गाइस. बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो रहा है. आई नो दिस ब्रश इज नॉट प्रॉपर फॉर द फाउंडेशन बाय द वे. थोड़ा जो डोम टाइप का ब्रश रहता है दैट इज गुड फॉर द फाउंडेशन, बट अगेन वो ब्रश सेट में उस टाइप का ब्रश नहीं था. anyway, so it is a really nice brush set. Again I forgot my mic. So yeah, the blending process was really nice. I really like the way it did the job. Guys, अगर आपको लगता है makeup like you love, you are too much into the makeup look, then please invest on very good brushes, because that is something which is super good. No videos are complete without my emoji ka thing. So okay, so this is done and I'm just gonna set it with a compact which is from Meesho, which is this Kiss Beauty ka compact, which is a very reasonable and very amazing compact guys. So ये फटाफट again with the same brush, और you have the poof, उससे भी आप कर सकते हो. That is pretty good. I think इसको बस इधर ही रख देते हैं. It suits here the best. Okay, so again with the same brush compact मैं थोड़ा लगा लूँगी. This is completely to set जो भी आपने लगाया है अपने फेस पे, because it is a summer season and if you are a person जिसको थोड़ा sweating and all हो रहा है, which is my skin is acting really weird. By the way, my vlogs is already up. If you guys haven't watched it, please go ahead and watch that. So that will give you a more update on my life, क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं, because I know you guys must be interested. So yeah, that video is already up. So I've just set it, the compact. If you want some more, just dab it around. Specifically I have a problem in my T-zone, so I think cleanup is very much required. So this is again a product from Meesho. By the way, it has 2-in-1 compact. One is a shimmer one, which is at the down, and one is the one which I just applied. So shimmer compact and the normal compact bhi aa jayega. Its original price is like 300 change, but I think I got it only in 120. Which was very affordable by the way. So this is the first product from Meesho from makeup that I will be trying in this haul, as I mentioned. So that is that. The next thing quickly I'll go is my eyebrows. Now for the eyebrows I'm using this TFF, the Fashion Factory. This is an eyebrow kit. This is again from Meesho. I got it for like 150 or 200 something, which was again very affordable. So I'm just gonna do my brows. So it has 3 colors by the way. Can you see? I mostly use the brown and this blackish one. So let's just quickly do. My brows are not properly done guys, so please ignore that. Very soon I will come up with a haul for the shave thing. Let's see how it turns out to be. First start with the middle, try to fill up the brows, and then start with the inner thing. Mostly go for brown guys, because I think that looks super natural, by the way. See how nice and how pretty it looks. So a very, very, very amazing thing for such a beautiful brow kit, guys. This is from The Fashion Factory. It's a very beautiful, very amazing brow kit. If you are a beginner, please go for it. I do not spend a lot of lot of money on the high-end products, because I think these products does a good job. The Fashion Factory is something which I have been using for a really long time. Don't mind, this is something I sat with. So yeah, I love this, and I'm in the shade 05. There are other shades available, but this is a bingo and I really like it. So this is the next product. Next, I will quickly go with the eyebrow palette. Now eyebrow palette, I got, I think, 3 of them. I will show you one by one. So first thing is this Glad Shine Huda Beauty. This is definitely not the original Huda Beauty. Come on guys, I think by now you know that this is not something from Huda Beauty. So this is 15. So I have already done the outer V, which is like pretty much, if I can show you, this is very light nude that I applied, and then I'm just gonna do with a little darker, like kind of smoky, with the same brush, but this time I will be taking this particular brown color. So I'm just gonna deposit this in the corner, probably this side, and also on this corner. When you are purchasing a new brush, it takes a little time to kind of adjust, to be honest. So whenever you're trying a new brush, then please take a good time to kind of be a little accustomed with that brush. I'm just gonna change the brush with this one, because I wanted to do the inner corners, and this brush is a little softer, and I want a little softer brush to blend. Again with the same color, I'm just gonna blend it. Wow, see, this brush is so good. So you should be knowing which brush is good or which brush you are comfortable with. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it this. So almost like this brownish kind of thing is almost like done. Okay, little bit I'm just gonna move with another angular brush. Now this is a brush which I always use to blend both the eyeshadow. Can you see this is a little angular kind of thing? So I'm just gonna blush, blend it real good to give it a very beautiful coverage, guys. The look. Okay, so this is all. I'm not gonna make it a little darker, because that's what the smoky I need for today. So, and one more thing, I'm just gonna clean this angular brush, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this shade to my brow bone, just to define the area. Okay, this is a skin color, a kind of thing to just clean the brow bone area. Okay, so this is pretty much done. Now for the inner shade, I will be taking a little glittery, which I will be taking this metallic kind of thing. So no, sorry, I will be taking Rachel. So initially I started with this Skylar, then I went to this brown, Skylar this one, and then I go to brown, and then I'm going to this shimmery brown. So I'm just going to place in the inner lids again with the same angular brush. So this palette from my Meesho is a very good purchase. If you are real hurry, then apply it in the middle finger. Okay, that's it. Today I will be, as per you guys request, I will be definitely doing, the temperature is, okay, I will be doing white eyeliner. So this is also purchased from Meesho. This is Glam 21K white eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna do the eyelining thing from this. It's gonna clear. This is what it is. It's a sharpener one. I'm just gonna do the white. Okay, the pigmentation is very bad. It's not working. I don't know why. It is not that much pigmented. Maybe because of the eyeshadow that I applied over. With a white eyeliner or whatever you say, you have to be a little cautious because it will work only in the skin color. If you applied any eye kind of makeup, it is not working. Still, let me try. It will take a little time to work out, guys. It is working, but it will not be that white what you guys wanted to see. So maybe we have to apply the white liquid liner. So this kajal liner is not working. So I'm just gonna quickly do with the same palette. In the same palette I have this black color. So again, with a small angular brush, I'm just gonna do my eyeliner or the kajal, whatever you say. This is a smaller angular brush and the black color from the same palette. Just gonna quickly draw the eyeliner. Hold the brush like this and then start working. So if you purchase a single eyeshadow palette and if you have black in that, I think black and pink, then I think eyeliner and blush का काम आपका वही हो जाता है. See, it is actually working. So I'm just going to complete the other eye. Since it's a brown smoky, so I'm just gonna smoke this also in the lower liner a little bit, because again we have to smudge the brown thing. See, it is actually done. So this eyeshadow palette, a big thumbs up. Let me tell you the name. This is Glad Shine Huda Beauty. I will definitely give you the link of this as well in the description box. So you can go for this palette. A little bit of shimmer I'm just going to apply. Again, the same brownish shimmer from this finger, kindly apply. And trust me, this look is good. I think with the white it wouldn't have looked good, but probably next video I'm just gonna take a liquid white eyeliner and then gonna create some look, because on the eyeshadow the white eyeliner is not working. That's the reason. Okay, and since I mentioned the same eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna take your highlighter ka, the blusher ka brush, and I'm gonna take this beautiful pinkish color, because this is a Misho kind of a haul. I've scratched it. So okay, so I am just gonna do the blush also with the same eyeshadow palette. Yeah, the pigmentation is really good. Again with the same color, I'm just gonna take a little bit. The pigmentation of this palette is so good, guys. See, even for the blush you don't have to go to any other palette. It's doing a fab job. For the highlighter also you can do this, but again for the highlighter I purchased one more palette, which is from Swiss Beauty. I think you guys already know what Swiss Beauty is. So this is a beautiful highlighter bronzer palette from Swiss Beauty. I'll show you. I love this palette. I think this is my second favorite from this Misho ka purchase. This is what it is. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I think the original price is for $349. I got it for $299, so 50 rupees was off in this. Yes, this is an original Swiss Beauty palette. Beautiful, beautiful palette. So first I will do the bronzing part, and okay, I will be do contouring also, but first I will do the bronzing, and I will be taking this shade. It does not come with mirror, guys, so please have a mirror handy if you wanted to work on it. Beautiful, beautiful bronzer. Okay, so it has all the three bronzer, guys. So a very beautiful palette. I highly recommend even this if you wanted to purchase from Meesho, because it has rose gold, and a little kind of goldish illuminator bronzer, whatever you say, that is there in this. Next thing is I'm going to contour, so I'm going to take my older brush and I'm going to take one brown. This is the brown, and I'm just going to contour this. That is something you can do. Okay, for the eye liner, I'm just gonna make it a little darker. That will enhance the look. And a little bit I'm just gonna do the lower line again with the same brown. Okay, for the inner corner, you can take any of the glitter color. I think you have a lot of shimmers, so I'm gonna take this for the inner corner. I'm just gonna do this. Wow, the pigmentation of this palette is bang. You can, trust me and take this palette. This is a bomb palette. So that's pretty much, guys. I'm almost done. There are some other products that I got from Meesho. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys, and I will be done with this particular video. So next, now this eyeshadow palette, which I showed, again very versatile palette. You can do this. I think for the inner corners you have this particular color, and for the base makeup and this palette is again my favorite. I think all the palettes I love except the one which I actually spoke. So yeah, you can use any of the palettes. They are very, very, very affordable, guys. One earring that I got from Meesho is this beautiful western earring. I will just show you by opening this. It is very beautiful, guys. Yes, the video will be little lengthy and I will be trying to short the video, but yes, this is a beautiful earring that again I got from Meesho. I really, really love this. So I'm just gonna wear this, and the last will be the lip color, which I will be completing, and also the makeup fixer. So before I wear the makeup fixer, let me show you, because again, so this is from the Blue Heaven makeup fixer. This is to completely fix your makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this and I'm gonna show you. This is what the packaging is. I have applied it. I'll keep it for some time, and before that I'm just gonna show you quickly what else I got from Meesho. This is a fake nail that I got from Meesho. This is a beautiful one. I think I got this for like 200 change. Comes with glue as well. So this is what the fake nail looks like. Beautiful collection. I really, really love it. So I'm just gonna show one. This is huge. Okay, they have all the sizes, by the way. So this is what the nail color is. The artificial nail is. They are really good. I really like it. The bigger one is, I think for this one you have to cut a little bit and then you have to do it. But yeah, they are good. You have to size them up, by the way. They are good if you know how to use it first thing. They are really good. Also comes with the glue. I don't know how useful is this, but I have myself a glue, so I have for myself a glue, so that also I can use it. This is someday I will make a separate video of how you can use the fake nails. So yeah, I have applied the makeup fixer. Just gonna wear my earrings. And another thing which I got from Meesho is this beautiful lip color. This is Miss Rose. This is a complete nude lip color. So Miss Rose, I will also try and link the thing below. The earrings are really good, guys. I really love it. I think all the products from Meesho are so good. Next haul back to back will be about Meesho kitchen essentials and home decor. So wow, I really love it. So this is the next lip color. I will give you a really close pic of how it is looking and how the lip color is. So this is what the lip color is and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love it. That's pretty much, guys. That's all I got from Meesho. I got one more lip color which is this Kiss Proof, and it is a little nudish one. I'm just going to show you the pigmentation. It looks nudish, but it is not. Completely orangish. Somewhere I did not like this lip color, so I will not give it a good shout out. So yeah, don't. I think the Miss Rose ones are really good. I really love this thing. Next, I will last thing I'm just gonna do my mascara. So this is not something from Blue Heaven, but I wanted to do the mascara. So I'm just gonna. The wand is like this. I don't know. I somewhere do not like Blue Heaven ka this thing mascara. I really don't like it. But let me try because I kind of purchased it and I don't want to, you know, throw it. But because I have purchased this because I wanted to compare the mascara of you remember, if you haven't watched the video of the best and affordable mascara among Mars and Blue Heaven, then I think for that video I got this particular mascara. This is not bad, but after using good mascaras, you do not probably want to use this mascara. It's not bad, but you need a good time to develop it. I know this video will be a little longer, but I actually loved the look that I achieved out of this. I have purchased one more product, which is an illuminator high beam. This is from Malio, and I'm just going to show you how it works. It comes in this kind of tube. You can definitely mix with your foundation and use it. I'm just going to show you. This is what it is, and it's a beautiful thing. If you can develop with the foundation, it will look so good. So this is another thing. I think this originally, I will let the mascara dry. This is originally for $4.99, but I got this for like 200 change, which was again a good deal. A good liquid highlighter for specifically. This also has a good shelf life of like 2023. This is 21, so yeah, again I have 2 years, so I think I can easily I'm gonna use this. This is something again I love from Meesho. So all the products, that's pretty much, guys, that's all I got from Meesho. I hope this video was a little helpful because Mostly all the products are really good, and I loved using all the products from Meesho. I have absolutely enjoyed how this makeup look turned out to be. I really love this. Very beautiful brownish shade, very subtle makeup look, guys, specifically for summer, because summer is something you do not want to put on a lot of makeup, you don't want to do a lot of, but I honestly love the way it turns out to be. Very subtleish thing. The lip color is absolute favorite, earrings are my favorite, the eyeshadow palette, both of them are favorite apart from the one. But still, will be showing a video of, if you do not like any of the product of any purchase, how you can reuse it and make a good use of that product. I think never throw any product. This pandemic have taught us one thing, guys. Whatever we have, we should be very much blessed with it, because many people do not afford that, or many people do not have it. So do not throw any of the product. If you can use it to your best, please use it. And I think that's pretty much. I will not do a lot of gyan, because in my Instagram story I have already spoken about this corona ka thing, and I do not want to give you more of gyan. But yeah, one thing I will always be saying, whatever you have, just stay blessed, just be happy with whatever you have. There are a lot of people who have more than you, there are a lot of people who do not have what you have, so be always thankful to God. And that's pretty much, guys. I will end up this video, and I hope this video was a little helpful. If yes, then do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will definitely be coming up with some another video very soon. Take care, bye bye.